Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make sweet potato roses. All you need baked sweet potato. After that, make it very smooth. Either use a fork or use food processor, anything, just make it very smooth. Then transfer it into a piping bag. And here I'm using tip 104. Here is a pin, you can find them at Michael's. I have little bit of sweet potato on it, so the parchment paper will stick on it. First step, make a cone. Either you could use a round tip or I'm using the same tip. After that, pipe exactly when you make a rose. And I'll repeat this step again for you so you will see it closer. After you finish, place it with the parchment paper in the fridge and use it whenever you need it. And I usually make them the same day I use them. Because I made this video a long time ago, at that time I used food coloring. I didn't know they are not healthy. So it's up to you. You could use them, you could use something else. Again, first step, just make a cone and then pipe exactly when you make a rose. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment below if you made it and how did it go with you. And thank you for watching.